Hi, my name is Mandy Habener. I'm a senior teacher here at Zenko Yoga, and the course that I'll be delivering is Hands-on Assist for yoga teachers. The Hands-on Assist module is one that's all about empowering teachers to develop their confidence in putting their hands on students. For a lot of us, when we first come out of a level 1 training or a 200-hour, there's always that bit of hesitation around, do I really know how much I can push on someone else's body? This is about giving you the skills to be able to apply really functional assists to your students that give them more awareness of their own body and also what an asana in proper alignment should feel like. The types of things that we'll be covering in this course is firstly honing in on your observation skills. So where do you stand in your room to actually be able to see which students are in and out of alignment, and then you can go in and give the hands-on assist from there. We'll look at standing postures, seated postures. We'll also learn the really lovely Shavasana assist that everybody loves. We'll look at some simple massage techniques to really help your students relax into their experience. And we'll also be covering a whole bunch of other content as well. At the end of this course, teachers will have more confidence to go out there to be able to identify which students in their class are going to benefit most from a hands-on assist. They'll also have the confidence to go in there and actually apply an assist to a student. And they'll just feel like they have a much larger tool belt to be able to move their students deeper into their asana practice.